Okay. So, welcome to reviewing out the Tesla. Don't know what episode this will be, but I'm going to sorry, I'm outside, parking lot. It's nice and sunny, so I am recording outside on the 20mm, of course. Hopefully I will put out the review right after. I don't know yet, because anyway, I don't want to ramble too long. But so film cameras had to walk. Behold the Minolta Maxim 9. Still even got film on it. But yeah, this is the A mount lens, the beast for sure. Beast of the machine. Got some Kodak 400, 36 count on this, and it did 1 out of 12,000 of a second, which no other camera has done that yet so far, if you're talking about consumer electronics. But yeah, I can even put my 135. It becomes a 1.7. If I put the 135 Zeiss 1.8, technically, the Sony. Anyway, that's just like a fun random fact about it. It's kind of odd. It still shoots at 1.7 though. I mean, I don't know how it is technically, but it says 1.7 on the digital display. But we had to treat ourselves, because we worked hard this year. We got paid for some shoots, a few shoots, but the outrageous prices that photographers can charge for photography. But now, what's this? Boom. You have to just bear with me. But it's the, what is this? It's a Sony E-mount. It's a Sony E-mount, A-mount lens adapter. What? You might be wondering, this E-mount to A-mount, what? But you have a Sony A9iii. Oh man. You wouldn't believe it, but I was like, you know what? I should have a machine that will last me for a while. And lo and behold, we have the Sony A9iii. Okay, it should be in focus. Wow. But yeah, this is just a mini unboxing. I don't know what this is. Got some papers. Got the cable. And we're unboxing, reviewing out the Tesla because this is essentially the channel, right? We got the ACs nice and cool in here. It's about 80 degrees out there, it's much hotter. The charger looks like the other charger, but there's no, oh yeah, there's no cable attached. The battery, wow, and this machine, I don't think I'm going to sell it. It's going to be definitely, this is definitely if I'm still using a 12-year-old camera, I'm pretty sure I'll be using that. That's the A9iii strap. It's nice and leathery. Oh, it says A9iii. Will I use this? No, because I'm actually rocking. Oh, let's get this. I'm actually rocking a Minolta. I think it's like a limited edition or something, because I actually am looking for this again, because it's actually the perfect, I think it's Italian suit material. I forgot what suit material is made out of, but this is exactly like my suit. I have an exact suit, same color as well, like exact same color, minus the yellow part, gold looking part. That might be a cool touch up. I think, I forgot what, there's like a Japanese blue, it's like Ichiro blue or something, I forgot. There's like there's a Val laptop that had a Val laptop that had a Val laptop that had a Ichiban blue, I don't know, anyway. But yeah, this is like, it feels like vegan leather. Like even my car seats have better leather. Will I use this? I'll strap this onto the A9iii. But you know, it's just like a, yeah, I don't know, it feels nice. The back of my own one has like actually cow leather or some animal leather, because this leather is like too, I mean, I know it's brand new, but it doesn't have that like real leather feel. I don't know, it could be very cheap leather, I don't know, like, but the stitching is nice, of course, I'm not gonna lie, stitching is perfect. Like, even has overlapping stitchings. That's like a really cool thing, like it goes up and over, so it's nice. It's like they didn't skimp too much. But what did we wait for? Oh man, I'll put it back in the box. But what did we come here for? We didn't come here to look at camera straps, but we came, the nice $6,000 machine that we call the Sony A9iii. Screen was out. I'm gonna put the screen in. Oh wow. It's very tiny actually, it's very tiny. But this, this is a very, what is the focusing distance? I forgot. Turn green. Oh, here it is. I just saw the green dot right there. Okay, anyway. Yeah, this Sony A9iii, Sony A9iii. Beautiful machine. Textured is very nice. I actually like this texture. It's like a ThinkPad texture. If you ever use a ThinkPad. The clicks. The clicks are very clicky. Let's hear it. Get some. Now, if we want to compare this to, I don't know if anybody knows Sony lore, Minolta lore, but Minolta was purchased by Sony. If you were to compare and contrast these, it's too bad they're not using this thick of a body and like heavy in metal-tuness, because this feels like, it honestly feels like it'll break if I drop it. It's a little bit wider, or as wide maybe, but it literally feels like it's as wide as the Minolta in terms of length. It's just shy short from the Minolta body, But yeah, it's like the length. It's pretty lengthy. Compared to the A9iii, smaller of course. This is more closer in size. But yeah. Haven't even turned it on yet. But how do I hate this squishy thing that you put on. Oh man, how do I take this off? Like, I really hate this viewfinder. I know I should, maybe I should just keep it, but